Today I'm going to replace the adjustable OEM ring that came bundled with the DJI RS3 Pro with a custom ring from a third party. Now this is a zoom and this is a focus, and I have both the zoom and the focus, so I'm going to install both. Let's begin. So first I loosen this rod so I can move the focus motor out of the way and tighten back up so it doesn't fall. I'm going to remove the lens hood and then remove the OEM focus ring. Okay, first I'm going to put in the actual focus ring to the focus and then the zoom ring. It is a little bit tight. I think I may need to remove this lens. And I'm going to put the caps on here to protect the lens. And on the camera to keep dust from the sensor. Okay. Little by little. Go around the circle. Oh, that sticker came off. Okay, next time I'll remove the sticker first. Alright, just wherever it needs it, push it down. There we go. Should be good right around there. Make sure it's centered properly. That's about right. Okay. Next is the zoom ring. I'm going to go ahead and remove the sticker now to prevent that from happening again. Okay. Bring it down here. We're going to use the same method, two-handed method. Go around. Yeah, that's pretty easy. And then just make sure it's centered. All right, there we go. Right now I'm going to put the lens back on the camera and take these caps off. Align the dots with the dots. Okay, there, snapped in place. All right, now put the rod back on. Currently only have one motor, so I'll put it here on the zoom. And I want to press it down, make sure it's getting that tension, and lock it back. Make sure it's right there in the middle. All right, very good. Now I'm going to calibrate it. Turn on the gimbal. Turn on the gimbal. And go over here to the display, lens profile, go to the correct lens, active lens profile, recalibrate motor, and confirm. And it should recalibrate. All right, very good. Now for my focus wheel, I should be able to move the zoom. There we go. Look, works pretty good. It doesn't have that thing in the way. It looks a little more professional. All right, that's it.